this is how we do it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to an episode of Huddle on Hilltop. We're here with our girls soccer team who are going to the playoffs this Wednesday against Milton. And so if you guys just want to say your name, grade, and position.
My name's Cece. I'm a center forward and I'm a senior.
My name's Savannah. I'm a winger and I'm a senior.
My name's Maddie. I'm a senior and I'm a center back.
My name's Kenzie. I'm a winger and I'm a senior.
So how has your team changed over the course of the season?
I think we've just kind of grown closer together, and right now we're playing really good soccer. Like at the beginning of the year, it's kind of hard for all the new girls to adjust and really get comfortable on the team and like really kind of find a rhythm of how we play. And I think at the beginning of the season we were having trouble with that, but now we've really grown and have like a good system that we keep and bring into every game.
What is your mindset going into playoffs?
I think we just need to work hard and keep the same energy we've had.
I think right now we have a lot of momentum going to playoffs. So we're coming off of like a 14-1-2 season. Lots of games we won, and just bringing that energy to our game on Wednesday.
Okay, so in the regular season we played Milton, and so we won that game. How do you guys think your mindset has changed for this one? Do you have anything, in mind that you learned from last game or anything you want to fix?
I think we're definitely ready for this game. I don't think anyone on our team is underestimating Milton. They're obviously a really good team. They've made it into the playoffs, and I think we're all just super excited to get at them again after beating them the first time and like proving that we can do it again, but not underestimating them at the same time.
How do you guys prepare for a home game for playoffs?
So we start with practice. Mondays are usually like our long practice days, and then Tuesdays we have a set game day practice that we do. But Mondays we know that that's the start of the week, so kind of that really sets the tone for our game day on Wednesday. So that's today. We'll go out, have a really hard training session for like an hour 45 to 2 hours, and really work hard, focus in on kind of like the key things that we want to do well on our game on Wednesday. And then Tuesday we'll go and have a lighter session. Still work pretty hard, but obviously like give our bodies a little bit of a rest and really prepare for Wednesday.
Thank you, girls. Good luck on Wednesday.
What's up, Hilltop? We're back for another episode of Huddle on the Hilltop. We're here with the three players of our boys soccer team. We're in playoffs now, so we're just here to ask them a couple of questions about their upcoming game and obviously the rest of the playoff series itself.
All right, first probably introduce yourselves.
How you guys doing? I'm Sam.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Jake.
So, playoff time. So, it's been a long season, a lot of ups and downs. How's the team changed over the course of the season?
Yeah, so I'd say the team definitely just experienced like a complete energy shift. Like bringing in 11 PGs, a lot of new guys to the team, a new program kind of in a way. It's definitely going to take some time to get used to it, get used to how Coach Proctor wants us to play and everyone buying in. And I think the start of the season, we were just getting used to that. We had a lot of individuals, and then over the course of the weeks, like everyone came together, and there's been one common goal. Everyone really bought in, and now it's been. I mean, you've seen it in our results. Like as the weeks have gone by, we've gotten stronger and stronger, and the team morale is higher than it's ever been. That's the best way to say it. Energy shift. Like everyone's bought in, and it's just been a really good environment these past couple of weeks.
Absolutely, everybody has to pull the same rope.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
All right. So, how's the mindset? What's the mindset going into the playoffs this week?
Honestly, just keep doing what we're doing, keep winning games, and keep that momentum from the regular season going into the postseason.
How's the game plan different playing against Loomis again?
Yeah, so Loomis was a great team when we played them earlier in the year. I'd say we played them when we were still figuring each other out as players, as teammates. They had a great system, but it's a very different team that we're playing with this time around. We've made some changes, we've had some injuries, we've changed our tactics. Like it's going to be a much different game. And honestly, yeah, I think we saw a lot more of them than they saw of us, like potential-wise. So I think with the new team momentum and with like the new game plan that we have going on, it's gonna be a completely different game, especially with playoffs and a lot more on the line.
Mm-hmm. So you guys are the 5 seed coming into playoffs. Just overall, like Wednesday morning, as soon as you get up, throughout the school day, and even on the way to the game against Loomis, how are you guys preparing, and what are you guys listening to throughout that day?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, for the team as a whole, the game plan's the same thing. We do the same pregame practice. It'll be the same thing, but it's honestly just knowing that it means a lot more, and it's not just a season game that we can go out and lose. Like, it could be the last time we play together. So I assume everyone's waking up focused and just dialed in from the start of the day until game time comes to
There we go. Any specific thing we're listening to on the bus on the way there?
Ooh, everyone listens to their own stuff.
We got a lot of country guys. We have a lot of kind of dad rock vibe going a little bit. Shout out Luke Parsons. That's my Ox buddy. But yeah, no, I mean, once you get the playoffs, seeds 1 through 8, everyone's a great opponent. So the mentality's the same. I mean, we didn't care really about a home game, about an away game. Like, we had the same mentality either way. Like, we can kind of go into your house and take over in a sense. And I mean, we're either doing it here or there. So it's the same mentality, just go in and win.
There we go.
Playing on the road special, you got to go to somebody's field and beat them at home.
Absolutely.
Probably the best feeling in sports right there.
That's it.
This is how we do it.